Hello everyone, welcome to the NN Classroom. Today I'd like to share with you a past paper question extracted right in 2018 time zone 1 in May. Question number 2, something to deal with topic 1, the ideal gas problem. Let's see. Asking, which graph below shows the relationship between two very important parameters in this question, volume and pressure. So two things, volume V, simply say, and pressure P. For a fixed mass of an ideal gas, right? So given the gas is already ideal, so meaning that the hidden meaning behind is that we are going to use this equation, PV equals nRT, the ideal gas equation. So in terms of this ideal gas equation, students should have realized that one more additional condition or extra information that is given by this question is that I used the red pen to highlight it, fixed mass. What's meant by fixed mass? The background meaning is that for a given situation or given gas, for fixed mass, we are always to be having a fixed molar mass as well, right? Because for any gas of it, so eventually meaning that for fixed mass, the m, the number of moles, is going to be also fixed. Because for fixed mass, what's mass related? Mass related to this number of moles, right? So as we also know, the R is a universal gas constant. For every gas, we use the 8.31, and temperature, obviously, if they didn't mention for that, also going to be constant. So here comes a really simple idea that the P times V will become a constant. So this K, I mark it down as a constant, right? So if you know P times V is a constant in mathematics, that simply implies P is inversely related with V. Obviously, students should have realized this fundamentally from the IDs of the ideal gas in topic 1 because the ideal gas is generated by three laws that combined it. We simply call the A law, B law, and C law, right? The A law stands for the Avogadro's law, B is the Boyle's law, while C is the Child's law, right? So in this case, actually, this is just an application of the Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that for a given gas situation under a fixed temperature, and or you can say the fixed mass of the gas, the pressure and the volume will be inversely related. So in this case, the inversely relationship in mathematics will be given at this shape, right? Where if you have the P against V, you're having this curly shape. So obviously the answer is going to be A. Mind you that actually if students really learn so deep in this chapter, for this relationship, we can express the graph in two ways. The first way is just what given in the question. For P against V, we can simply use a curved line, right? But if we really want a straight line, what can we do is that we can make good use of changing the axis. That if we point P against 1 over V, changing the axis, then we can simply put back as a straight line passing through origin. So remember, both graphs are correctly describing the Boyle's law from the ideal gas law, right? So that's why for this case, the answer is going to be A.